Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Ms. Johnson. I'm doing well, thank you.
That's great to hear. I noticed you've been falling behind in your assignments lately. Is everything okay? I'm sorry, Ms. Johnson. I've been feeling overwhelmed with all the coursework. I understand that it can be challenging at times, but it's important not to give up. Have you considered seeking help from a tutor?
Actually, I've been thinking about it. I believe it could be helpful.
That's a wise decision. A tutor can provide you with the extra support you need to catch up on your studies.
I hope so. I really want to make up for the missed assignments.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, it's crucial to keep up with the coursework to stay on track.
I'll definitely do my best to stay on top of things from now on.
That's the spirit. I have faith in you, Sarah. Just make sure you hand in your assignments on time.
I will, Ms. Johnson. I won't let you down.
I know you won't. If you ever feel overwhelmed again, don't hesitate to reach out to me or your tutor.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. I appreciate your support.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, education is a journey, and sometimes we stumble along the way. The important thing is to get back up and keep moving forward.
I'll keep that in mind, Ms. Johnson. I won't let setbacks hold me back.
I believe in you, Sarah. With hard work and perseverance, you can pull through this challenging period.
Thank you for believing in me, Ms. Johnson. I will do my best to prove myself.
That's all I ask for, Sarah. Remember, you have the power to turn around your academic performance.
I won't waste that opportunity, Ms. Johnson. I'll work hard and strive for success.
I'm proud of your determination, Sarah. Keep pushing forward, and I'm confident you'll come out ahead in the end.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Your encouragement means a lot to me.
You're welcome, Sarah. Now, let's work together to ensure you achieve your goals. We'll go over the upcoming assignments in detail.
I'm ready, Ms. Johnson. Let's tackle them one by one.
That's the spirit, Sarah. Remember, I am here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started on your journey to success.
Thank you, Ms. Johnson. I'm ready to give it my all.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.